Addressed to Toothache by Rabbie Burns. My curse upon your venom stang that shoots my tortured gooms alang, and through my lugs gaze mony a twang, when on vengeance tearing my nerves with bitter pang like racking engines. Oh, down my beard this slavers trickle, I throw the wee stools o'er the mickle, while round that fire the giglets keckle to see me loup. Raving mad, I'll wish a heckle were either doubt. When fevers burn or ague freezes, rheumatic snot or colic squeezes, our neighbours sympathise to ease us with pity and moan. But thee, thou helly odd diseases, they mock are grown. Of all the numerous human duels, ill hair, staff, bargains, cutty stools, or worthy friends laid in the mills, sad sick to see the tricks o' knaves of fashion fools thou bear'st degree. Where'er that place the priests ca' hell, where all the tones of misery yell, and ranked plagues their numbers tell in dreadful raw, thou, Toothache, surely bear'st the bell among them all. Oh, thou grim mischief-making chiel, that gars the notes of discord squeal, till humankind aft answer reel and goer, a Toothache, gie ho the phases Scotland's real. A Toman's Toothache.